Styron, bringing your fridge liners to the next level. We want to help our customers succeed by offering innovative solutions.
就是说，我们选择我们的供应商，不是选择一个就是简单的一个买卖关系。我们希望我们的供应商是可以给我们提供解决方案的供应商，而我们认为斯泰龙就是这样的一个公司。斯泰龙卖给我们的不仅仅是它的一个原材料，它的一个产品，我觉得更多的是给我们提供一种解决方案，一种 solution， 可以帮助我们把我们的产品领先于其他的竞争对手。
This customer orientation has made Styron a leading supplier to the appliance industry.
لنا فخر كبير أن نعمل مع مؤسسة ستايرون لأنها مؤسسة كبيرة وكوندور مؤسسة كبيرة والكبير يعمل مع الكبير.
Styron's most important product for refrigerators is high-impact polystyrene for liners. This product set the standard in the industry and is widely used.
We use a considerable quantity of high impact with ESCR properties, environmental stress cracking resistance material. The ESCR properties of the material are extremely important to avoid problem in the production, especially when the end user can wet the surface with some foodstuff such as the vegetable oils, or when they clean the surface with detergent. So it's not easy to develop this material, and Styron is one of the historical players in this application.
Building on this strong heritage of innovation, Styron has developed a next-generation ESCR grade. It exceeds the performance of our current high-impact product and will allow customers to take their fridge liners to the next level. Whilst maintaining all other critical performance characteristics, it improves stiffness significantly. It enables downgauging of liners by 10% and addresses further customer needs.
We received some sample of this grade, and we analyzed the material, and we also performed some tests to understand the potentiality of this material. I can tell you that the material seems to be extremely interesting for us, because we understood the stiffness of the material has been increased. The modulus is approximately 20% higher than the standard IPS ESCR grade, and at the same time the chemical resistance and also the impact resistance have been kept at the same good level as the standard material. So thanks to the higher stiffness, there is a potential sheet downgauging, and this is very important for us because we can improve the cost of our finished product. It's not only a reduction of material, but for example, if we use a thinner sheet, we can also reduce cycle time in the vacuum forming. We can improve also the efficiency in the extrusion line. So we look at this material with a great interest.
Styron is close to its customers and fully committed to helping solve their most pressing materials challenges.
在我们在去年和今年的时候，我们遇到了一个问题，是关于我们冰箱内胆材料。当时我们在设计和在生产的使用过程中发现了这样的一些问题，我们一直希望可以把这个问题解决掉，但是后来发现呢，仅仅依靠海尔这边的一些这个技术力量是无法解决掉这个问题的，因为它需要很好的跟原材料的供应商结合在一起。然后我们把我们的这个需求提给了斯泰龙，然后呢，斯泰龙专门为此成立了一个技术团队，之后呢，经过一段的一些调研啊，然后的话还有不断的一些交流，我们终于很好的把这个问题解决掉。然后现在我们可以很自豪的说，这个问题我们已经是度过这样的一个难关了。所以的话，我们也在此我们也非常感谢斯泰龙的公司给我们提供这样好的一个解决方案，也觉得就是你们的人员非常非常的敬业。
This strong customer focus has led to intimate customer relationships, many of which have exceeded 20 years' duration.
We have a very long story of partnership with this company, and they know very well our assets, our way of working in the factory, so there is a deep knowledge about the way of working of both companies, so really a full collaboration.
To help our customers succeed in the future, Styron is continuing its focus on R&D and innovation.
I'm also confident that the chemical capability of Styron and also the very high level of know-how of the technicians involved in the conversion processes can support further research and developments also in the future.
我们同时呢，我们可以把我们的需求更好的提供给斯泰龙，然后斯泰龙按照海尔的需求，了解到终端客户的一些需求，然后可以开发出来相对于适应我们的一些产品。这样子的话，我们可以共同进步，共创双赢。
People, technology, and customers are at the heart of what we do. This will help us bring your business to the next level. So bring us your ideas. The future is ours to create.